triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, cube. If someone asks you to match the names to the shapes, how would you know which names go with which shapes? Let's start with triangle. Look at the word tri-angle. An angle is a corner. Tri. What other words start with tri? Tricycle. In a tricycle, cycle means wheel. How many wheels does a tricycle have? 3. Tri means 3. How many angles does a triangle have? 3. And that's a triangle. Quadrilateral. Let's look at the lateral part. Lateral means sides. With triangles we count the angles, and with quadrilaterals we count the sides. How many does quad mean? Well, do you know what quadruplets are? It's like twins, except instead of 2, quadruplets are 4. Quad means 4. So quadrilateral means 4 sides. Let's look at hexagon next. A gon means a corner. It's another way of saying angle. And hexa means 6. To remember that, I like to use the letter X. The X in hexagon is the same as the X in 6. And if you look at the languages hexa and 6 come from, that X is actually related. It's really the same X. But that's getting complicated. You can just remember X in hexagon, X in 6. Unfortunately, this idea won't be very helpful if you speak a language where the word for 6 doesn't have an X in it. But if you speak English, the letter X is a very effective way to remember hexagon 6. Octagon. Gon means angles again. Octo. What else starts with octo? Octopus. How many legs does an octopus have? 8. 8 legs on an octopus, 8 angles on an octagon. Cube. In math, cubes have all sides being exact squares. Ice cubes aren't exactly cubes because in an ice cube, every side isn't exactly a square. But ice cubes are still a good way for you to remember that a cube is a solid shape with flat sides. You still do need to remember that every side of a cube in math is a square. Our last word is pentagon. Penta means 5. This can be hard to remember because there's not a lot of familiar words with penta in them. So how can you remember a pentagon means 5 angles? One way is to practice drawing pentagons. The shape should be closed, the sides should be straight, and there should be 5 angles. The sides don't have to be all the same length, and the angles don't have to be all the same. If it has 5 angles, it's a pentagon. Each time you draw one, think or even write pentagon. And that's how you can remember triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, cube.